Hey guys, so today I'm here with Bailey, but I'm going to be doing this video by myself, really. So first let's do the fart test, but we're going to have to start.
It's mostly my slime that I put purple paint in.
And some beads. So,
yeah,
let's get on
beads, but
fart
she's
test.
going to show the test.
Yeah, fart test first, because that's my favorite. I'm trying to get it close to y'all, so y'all can hear it. That was weird. It was like going. Okay, guys, let's bring it out and do it again. Because that was like horrible. Guys, did you hear that? What? Oh, okay. This one was clear before. It was clear and glittery, and she added purple paint and beads. We already said that, but yeah. She just threw a flower at me. She just threw a flower at me. Now I'm going to throw it at you. Stop throwing flowers at me. It went through my bike. You guys are sitting on the bike.
Oh, we just popped the bubble with it.
No. Ah! She popped my huge bubble. Okay, we're not really doing like tests. Really, I'm really just playing with it.
Is this the first, second, or third?
I haven't done two. Okay, guys, so stretch test. Definitely passes. Swirl test.
Kylie, this is the last test.
Oh, guys, I have a little bubble right there. It's clear, so I don't know if you guys can see it, but like,
Can't really see. Oh,
I know. It wasn't even in the camera. So,
Okay, so
guys, it's a cinnamon roll.
And guys, make sure to stay tuned because we're gonna do an ASMR video after this.
Except not on this video. Okay, guys, and then
after the ASMR video, we're going to make.
She's gonna show like
TikTok together. So
stay